I created this cinematic AI animations for free with an AI image to video tool called Runway ML. And in this video, I will share with you a really cool trick that you can use to turn AI images to video exactly as you want, without morphing, merging, twisting, or other problems that most people face while creating AI animations from images. So let's get started, and first of all, we need the images. I will use Leonardo AI for this step. Register for a free account, and after signing in, go to fine-tuned models. Find Leonardo diffusion model and click generate with this model. Then go to the prompt generation tab and enter your basic prompt idea. Choose the number of prompts and click ideate. This will auto generate suitable prompts without you having to manually write them. Select any prompt you like, choose the number of images you want and click generate. We have got our AI images ready. Let's view them, and I like this one, so I will click here to download it. I have also generated some more images using this prompt, so I will also download them. And our first step is done, but we have a little problem here. The images we generated from Leonardo AI have the aspect ratio of 1:1, but for the video we need larger images. So let's expand them using a free AI tool called bfunky. Upload the image, select expand option, choose custom ratio, enter 16:9 as the aspect ratio and click expand. Do the same for all images and download them. And you can see that we have got this watermark here, so let's remove that as well. Go to Pixel Cut, upload the expanded image, select the watermark area, click remove and download it. Now that we have got all our images ready, let's start creating our AI animations. For this step, I will use Runway ML, but with a slightly different trick. Sign into Runway ML, click image to video option and choose Gen 2 model. Upload the first image, and instead of using the typical prompt method, I'm gonna use this motion brush tool. Click on motion brush, and on the right hand side, you will see this interface with multiple brushes and animation options. Now these steps are highly important, so make sure that you watch them at least 2 to 3 times to fully understand the process. Let's start creating our first scene. For the first scene, I want to animate 2 elements in this image. Number 1, I want these background clouds to move to the left side, and number 2, I want this titan to slowly close its eyes. Let's select brush 1, and first of all, I'm gonna highlight these clouds. Make a selection using the motion brush tool and highlight the desired area. I will also select these clouds on the right hand side. You can resize the brush using this slider and highlight those clouds as well. And a very important point to note here is that you should only use one brush for one element at a time. For example, if you want to animate clouds, mountains and the eyes, you should use separate brushes for all the 3 elements. I hope you get my point. Let's go ahead and select brush 2, and I'm gonna highlight the area of Titan's eyes with this brush. Now we want to apply motion to both the areas that we have highlighted in this image. That's where we will be using these options. We want to move the clouds to the left side, so I will click brush 1, and down here you can see the left arrow under the horizontal x-axis option. We wanna move to the left, so click this left arrow to apply motion to this element. Don't go for higher values, just keep it under 2. I will set this value to -1.5. Now select brush 2 that we have used to highlight the eyes, and since we want the subject to close its eyes, we will use this down arrow under the vertical y-axis option. I will set this value to -0.5. Then click this generate button and wait for a couple of minutes. Our first AI animation is ready. Let's play this to see what we have got. That's cool. The image is animated exactly like we wanted. You can see the clouds are moving in the background and the titan is slowly closing its eyes. Moreover, there are no unwanted movements, morphing, merging or twisting. And that's the biggest advantage of using this method. You can control exactly how you want the image to animate. So our first scene is done. Click here to download this video, and let's move on to the second scene. In the second scene, I want the titan to reopen its eyes and turn those eyes into fire. I have uploaded the same image again, and this time we will also use the prompt in addition to the motion brush. Go to motion brush again, select brush 1 and highlight the clouds just like we did in the first scene. Select brush 2 and highlight the eyes. I will apply motion to the clouds by changing the horizontal x-axis value to -1.5. Then select the eyes that we have highlighted using brush 2, and this time we want the titan to open its eyes. So we will use this up arrow under the vertical y-axis option. I will set this value to +0.5. Now click here to go to the camera control option and add a little bit of zoom in effect. Then go to prompt, and here I will write a simple prompt such as eyes turning red. Click generate, and here is the video that Runway ML has created for our second scene. Let's play this. That's perfect. This came out better than I expected. See how the entire background is turning dark, and especially look at how Titan's beard is falling like a sand and the lava is trickling down. That's really awesome. I'm happy with this result, so download it and let's do it quickly for our third scene as well. Upload the image, and in this scene we wanna do pretty much the same thing. So I will go a little fast this time so as not to waste your time. Select brush 1, highlight the clouds and apply motion to them using this left arrow. Select brush 2, highlight the eyes and apply upward motion by changing vertical y-axis value to plus 0.5. Go to camera control, add some zoom in effect, go to prompt, and I will write Titan's eyes turning red. Click generate, and there you go. Let's play it. This is looking great. The image is animated exactly like we wanted. And so on, you can continue generating the scenes by animating the images just like that. So our AI image to video is done. But this is not over yet. We still need to edit it. Also, you can see that the video quality is very low. So I'm gonna upscale these videos using a free AI tool. This tool lets you upscale the videos to full HD and download a free preview of up to 5 seconds. Our AI animations are already 4 seconds long, so that will do the job for us. If your videos are long, you can either do them in parts or use multiple tools like CapCut Video Upscaler or other similar websites. So I have upscaled all the video clips. Now let's edit them and apply some sound effects and transitions to give it a cinematic look. Let's start our editing, and I'm using Filmora, but you can use any video editing software. Import all the 3 scenes inside the software, place the first clip on the timeline, and I will search for a cinematic riser sound effect and place it under the first clip. Add a gap of 10 frames at the start and move the clip a little bit forward. I will slightly trim this video clip so that it ends at a point where the sound effect goes to its peak. Right click and let's add a pan and zoom effect. Let's also apply keyframes at the end of this clip to add a little fade out effect. Then go to colors and enhance the temperature to 10. Now bring the second scene to the timeline and place it at the end of the first sound effect. I will add a Bram cinematic sound effect to this scene. Trim the sound effect according to the clip length and add a fade out effect to the sound. Also apply the fade out effect at the end of the second scene, just like we have done for the first scene. I am gonna apply a shock transition with 10 frames length to the start of this scene. Finally, bring the third scene on the timeline. Add a sound effect and adjust it. I will apply earthquake effect at the start of this scene, and I will also apply a flashback effect to this scene as well. Render the video and let's play our work to see how it looks. That's great. And of course, you can play around with the options to make it stand out even further. Also note that this trick is not just limited to cinematic AI videos. You can apply this method to literally any type of image to create animated stories, cartoons, and more. So that's all for this AI image to video tutorial. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and share this video to help me spread out the word. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. It helps a lot and motivates me to create more videos like this. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.